Puppy by Mercer. I wanted a puppy just for me, so I traded my baseball mitt for one. My baby sister liked him right away. And boy, were my mom and dad surprised. They said I could keep him if I took care of him myself. So I am taking very good care of my puppy. I fed him in the morning. He eats every bite. And I put him on his leash and go for a walk. I am teaching my puppy how to heel. He is learning how to stay, except when he sees cats. My puppy knows a lot of tricks like how to sit, how to play dead, and how to roll. He still needs some practice. But he already knows how to fetch. Uh-oh. My puppy's a big help around the house. He's a good guard dog. He brings in the papers for my dad. And he keeps me company while I'm doing my homework. Sometimes my puppy gets dirty. Then I give him a bath. I get him a nice and dry so he won't catch a cold. Then we get ready for bed. Just me and my puppy. The end.